Ghost.
Bulaga.
Ghost ba yun?
I'm Ate Green.
No, you are a ghost.
No.
You're a ghost.
No. This is the toy.
No, where's Ate Green?
I'm right here. Then
No, I don't see Ate Green.
I do.
What happened? What happened to Ate Green? Is she hiding on that blanket?
No. It's a towel.
It's a towel?
Yes.
Oh, is she hiding on the towel?
Yes, because I'm just Joe. Because I'm pretending like Barak. Because I'm a gold. Because
Are you
I'm
pretending a balak? Pretending balak?
Yes, because she's not
But
him.
I see balak. Not Ate Green.
No. I'm Ate Green. Bulaga.
You are Ate Green?
Yes. I'm Ate Green. I'm just.
Oh, I'm so scared. You're a ghost.
No. Super Mario is on him. No, it's
Don't
Super
touch
Mario.
me. No, don't touch me. I'm scared to you. You are a ghost.
No, I'm just pretending on me.
Where's Ate Green? Ate Green, where are you?
I'm Jet and he.
Where are you?
Sa Bulaga.
Oh my God, where's Green?
No, I kid you.
I wanna call out Tita Sam because I don't see Ate Green. What happened to my little Green? Oh no, is she still hiding on the towel? Huh? Where's the towel? Wala! Wala si Ate Green!
Grabe! Taro!
Where's Ate Green? I can see Ate Green. Help me, guys. Ghost na ba siya? Ghost na ba si Ate Green? Alis na ako. Hanapin ko si Ate Green.
No! No, Oma!
Where is she?
I'm right here. Oma.
Are you Green?
I'm right here.
Are you Greeny Bird?
No, I'm at the green because I'm pretending like ghost.
Pretend lang. I thought you were a ghost na eh.
No, I'm just be a ghost with a toy. I'm be a toying like this.
Oh, stop playing like that na ha.
Because I'm a toy praying.
Playing. Stop pretending like a ghost na. Stop pretending like a balak na ha.
No, just only happy. I'm just be a toy like this, Oma.
Surprise lang. Sige na, play ka na doon.
Because just only. What?